Hello and welcome back to my channel. People often think when it comes to making sauces that it needs to be a complex and lengthy process, but it doesn't need to be. I'm going to show you how to make a series of really delicious sauces that take about 15 minutes to cook so you can do them for dinner. And first up, we're going to show you how to make a mushroom and grey mustard sauce. This sauce will go great with chicken, pork or turkey. Don't forget to smash that like button and hit the subscribe. Thank you. So on my cutting board are the ingredients to make a delicious and yet quick mushroom and grey mustard sauce. We have 50 grams of white onion that I'm going to finely dice. We've got 50 grams of chestnut mushrooms I've sliced. We're going to use some grain mustard. We've got 250 milliliters of chicken stock. We're going to use 50 milliliters of double cream. We've got 25 grams of unsalted butter, and we're going to use a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. So the first thing I'm going to do is finely dice the onion. So you need a sharp knife, and we're first going to make some cuts like this, and then we're going to come along in a horizontal fashion and make some slices. And we haven't gone all the way through to the root to help control the onion. Now we're just going to go down like that, and you have finely diced onion. Really easy if you have a nice sharp knife. So we've come across to the stove, and we're going to put our 25 grams of unsalted butter in a non-stick saucepan, and we're also going to add to that 1 tablespoon of olive oil. We want to get that hot before we add our mushrooms. So we're going to put that on to a medium-high heat and let that melt. So in a separate saucepan, we're going to take our 250 milliliters of chicken stock, and we're going to bring that up to a simmer. So my butter and oil are hot now, so we're going to add our mushrooms, our 50 grams of chestnut mushrooms, to the pan. We want to stir that around. Now mushrooms always absorb a lot of butter and oil, so don't worry about it, it will absorb those into the mushrooms. We've got this on a medium-high heat, and we want to cook the mushrooms until they start to get brown. So now the mushrooms have softened, because they've been cooking for about 2 minutes now. Now we're going to add our 50 grams of finely diced onions, and we need to make sure that we stir it occasionally to stop the onions from burning. So we're continuing to stir the mushrooms and the onions. We haven't quite got to where we want to get yet. We're looking for the onions to be nice and soft, and also for the mushrooms to start to caramelize a little bit. You don't want too much colour on the mushrooms, but you do want a little bit to enhance the flavour of the sauce. So the onions and mushrooms have been cooking now for about 5 minutes, and you can see that the onions and the mushrooms are starting to caramelize a little bit, which is what we're looking for. So now we are going to add chicken stock. So we're going to gradually pour 250 milliliters of chicken stock into our sauce. So now we've added our chicken stock to the sauce. We just want to reduce it down. So I've turned my heat down to medium, so it simmers. I don't want it boiling too hard, and we just want to reduce it down, which will concentrate all the flavours. So now we're going to add our grey mustard. I've got half a tablespoon of grey mustard, and we're just going to scrape that in. Grey mustard is quite mild, so you don't need too much, and you'll just have a mild mustard flavour. Of course, if you prefer more mustard, you can add more mustard, but start off by adding half a tablespoon. Now we're just going to stir that to help distribute the mustard, and then continue to let it reduce down. So often when chefs talk about reducing sauces down, they don't really give you much indication of when enough is enough. So we're going to show you by pouring this sauce back into the measuring jug and we'll tell you exactly how much we have left. We've got 225 millilitres of sauce left, and that's reduced down enough for us to add the cream. So now we're ready to add our 50 millilitres of double cream. I'm just going to pour that all in, and of course we need to give it a good stir, and we want to make sure that we just simmer the sauce now we've added the cream, and we don't want it to split. So turn the heat down just a little bit, down to a medium low, and then we'll season it with salt and pepper. So there's lots of flavour already in the sauce, but we just want to season it lightly. We've got our black pepper and our sea salt, and that's sufficient. Just give that a stir and we'll turn the heat off. So our sauce is now ready. There's lots and lots of flavour in it. This sauce goes really well with chicken, with pork, with turkey, and you can see from the sauce on my spoon, it's not very thick, it's not very heavy, but it's packed full of flavour. Give it a try.